It's day 1 of the Pantry, Fridge, and Freezer Challenge. So I'm going to start with breakfast this morning. I'm going to make some spinach and eggs and bacon. So this is all the bacon I have left. So I'm just going to make them all today. I'm sure there's other things I can make this week. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 slices of bacon should do it. So, Jay wanted to do this challenge as well, but he said you have to add a few things because we're not going to go without cheese. I only had about this much cheese left. He goes, so buy some cheese. So we bought some cheese. We bought a loaf of bread because we needed bread for his lunch. And we needed creamer because we only had the bottom of maybe a cup's worth to make coffee. So that's what I bought. So it's cost me, let's see, this was $2.45, I think it was. So let's say $3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was 4 something. So let's see, $5, 5, 8, 10. So it cost me about $10. Let's say just underneath $10 for the total of these. So $10 this week is all I spent because Jay wanted bread, Jay wanted fromage, and Jay wanted coffee creamer. Or I couldn't do the challenge. Yeah. So there we go. I forgot to tell you. I put it in the pan. I forgot to do this actually. So I took each slice and rinsed it under cold water and then put it back in the pan because supposedly it helps it from sticking. Now I've tried it before and it worked great. So we're going to try that again today and see how it works. So I think as a side, I'm going to take these 2 potatoes and I'm going to cut them up thinly. Well, thin enough. And maybe make some side potato dish in the air fryer. Just something to add a little bit of starch to my menu this morning. So now that my potatoes are ready, I'm just going to put them on a plate and I'm going to prep them for my air fryer. So I'm just going to spray it with some olive oil so it doesn't stick. And I'm going to add a little bit of, let's see, salt, sea salt, just a little bit. Some black pepper. I'm going to mix that up. Just like that. So I'm going to wing it. I'm just going to put it like this in the air fryer and I'll add whatever later on. So in the air fryer I go. And I'm going to put it in here, I think, for 10 minutes. 10 minutes at 400. And now let's head back to the bacon. Let's see how that's doing. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. I hope it doesn't stick this time. No. It smells really good. I can smell the maple. Oh, look at this. Look how beautiful these turned out. They're flipping pretty easy. They're not sticking. It worked great. Fantastic. Fantastic. I love the smell of bacon. I love, what the? Ugh. Yeah, that one was a little stuck. This was a little stuck. Ugh. And, jeez. Almost perfect. Almost perfect. But not perfect enough. Come on. Come on. Get off. Get off. Ooh. I hate when bacon sticks. Calm and relaxed. Calm and relaxed. Okay, so now I'm going to make my eggs. I got some spinach here, and I got some white cheddar cheese that I cubed up and cut up, and here's my 4 eggs. And I'm going to make a 4-egg omelette. 4-egg omelette. 4-egg omelette. Oh, these are a little big, so I'm just going to, yeah, pull that apart. There we go. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the egg. There we go. And another egg. There we go. And one more. One more. Come on. Here. I have one more left for my 30 pack. So I got 12 left in the fridge. So 12 for the week. So one more of these. Yeah. Jeez, that one was hard to open. One more. Yeah, one more. So 4 eggs. 4 eggs. 4 eggs to make this omelet for 2 people. Should be good enough. I think it's perfect. I'm just going to mix that up. Mix that up real good. Okay, add a little bit of water to make it fluffy. Okay, so here's the bacon. It's not the best bacon. It's not top quality bacon. It's selection bacon from Food Basics. It's kind of thin. Kind of really thin, actually. But it will do. It's bacon, right? Okay, so I have 4 minutes left on my air fryer for my potatoes. So I'm going to use the bacon grease, and I'm going to make the omelet in the bacon grease. That way I don't have double the dishes, and, well, it cooks nice in the bacon grease. So I put that on low. I put it at number 5, and I put the lid on it. Well, it should be ready to flip now. Whoa, look at that. It looks beautiful. Oh, no. Don't tell me it's stuck. Really? Oh, shit. Yeah, it's stuck. So, it might be scrambled egg. Well, maybe not. Kind of a messy egg. Yeah. I think it's going to be like a scrambled egg. So, the omelet was a fail. I guess the bacon grease is not a good thing to fry this in. So we're just going to make a scrambled egg with this. So I'm going to add some onion powder. I'm going to add some basil. I'm going to add some more salt and pepper. And that's it. That's pretty much done now. Oh yeah, that's done. So we're going to put that aside, get the potatoes ready, put it on the plate, and we're going to have breakfast. And there's breakfast. 3 slices of bacon, scrambled egg with spinach and white cheddar, and we have air-fried potatoes. All right, so let's try this beautiful meal. So first we'll try the potatoes. You tried the egg, not the potato.
I'm trying potato.
The eggs are good. I bet you. Well, I've had it before, but... Yum, yum. Let's try the bacon. 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 Now for some egg. Try to get it on the fork here. That was ketchup that he just squirted.
I like it on my potatoes.
Delicious eggs. It's good with the spinach and cheese.
Yeah, it's got plenty of flavor.
Pass me some ketchup. Some sugar-free ketchup. Put that on my potatoes. Don't use ketchup very often, but... Oh, come on. Fuck. There. Let's try the potatoes with the ketchup. Mmm. Mm. So that's breakfast day one. I was going to add garlic to my soup this afternoon, but it's so dry, had it for so long in the pantry, that it's like mummified. Dried, dehydrated. Dried, dehydrated. I don't even think this is possible to use anymore. Look at that. There's nothing. So I'm going to throw that out because I can't do anything with that. I don't trust it. When in doubt, throw out. Damn. That was part of my week. Time to make a concoction soup for my dinner. So I'm going to use this vegetable broth that I picked up at the Dollar Tree for 25 cents. And we're just going to dump that in and use that as our base for the soup. So now I'm just going to add this soup mix I had in a jar. It's got different things in it like barley, split peas, rice, etc. So we're going to add a cup of that in the crock pot. And then I'm just going to throw it in. Just like that, nice and easy. And I'm also going to add a can of tomatoes, stewed tomatoes. So 1 can of stewed tomatoes. So I'm adding some basil. I love my basil. So just get the stuff from the Dollar Tree. So no excuses, guys. Get your spices. Get your spices. So I'm going to add some garlic powder. So about a tablespoon should do it. Tablespoon of garlic powder. Okay, so I'm just going to stir that up with the magic spoon. Magic spoon. Just stir it up and put it in the crock pot for 6 hours. Put it in the crock pot for 6 hours. So we're going to put it in for 6 hours on low. That's it. Now we just wait. Okay, so it's been 3 hours. So let's take a peek at my crock pot. Gonna add some good vibes to that. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fabulous. So another 3 hours and this should be ready. Okay, so it's time for supper. And so we skipped lunch because we had a late breakfast and we were out and about today. We decided to go out for a car ride, our truck ride. Now we're just going to have some dinner. So look at that. This turned out beautifully. So I have quite a bit here, so I'm sure I'll have some left for tomorrow or for the next day, which will be a great lunch. Nice and easy lunch for us. It's got nice tomato. It's got barley. So this soup, this soup mix has green, yellow, split peas, rice, pearl barley, red split lentils. And that is what I had in this soup mix. So I added the tomatoes, I added the vegetable broth, and of course the garlic and salt and pepper, and basil. So this is going to be a hearty meal for sure. I'm going to add a little bit more basil because I love basil. And G doesn't mind me either. And I was thinking of adding, let's see if these are still good. They should be good. I just had them not too long ago. So I'm going to add these broken up tortilla chips that I had in a jar. Add it on top. A couple barbecue ringlows in there too. A couple peanuts or almonds. Just stuff I put in the jar I want to finish off. So there we go. Let's move that up a little bit closer here. This cheese on here. Make some cheese. Ugh. There we go. Just to see we have some cheese on top. And there we go. That is dinner. And if we want more, we have lots more on the crock pot. Taste test time! All right. So G's coming for his soup. It's going to be very hot, babe, so be careful when you eat it. Just came out of the crock pot.
Okay.
Very hot.
Mm-hmm.
Very flavorful. Careful. Get in there. Get in the camera.
I'm in the camera.
No, you're not.
Get me out. Fingers.
How's that? Careful, very hot, baby. So this is
hot. Ooh.
This is my crock pot tortilla soup, I guess. I don't know.
It's good.
My concoction crock pot soup. Might be a couple almonds in there.
Okay.
From a little container, I put my leftover chips and stuff. So there's chips in there, different chips. Ringlows, maybe. A couple ringlows. How is it, Jay?
It's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Hard to hang on to the bowl, though, it's burning my fingers.
So you want to eat it sitting down?
Yeah.
Okay. So that was our soup, guys. Turned out really good.
I'd show you, but I'm going to end up pouring it out.
I cooked it for 6 hours in the crock pot. It was worth it. We came home and it smelled so good. We didn't have lunch because, of course, like I said, we were out and about and we had a late breakfast. So this is what we ate. As for snacks tonight, I think we'll have apples and put some cinnamon on there. And yeah. So I'm going to put that down because it is hot. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe and be sure to leave a comment below. I'll be back again tomorrow because I got more stuff, more creative ideas in my head to make a recipe for tomorrow. So talk to you soon. Bye for now.